Welcome to day 97 of Maths Wizard, and we were doing questions related to basic integral. So now let's level up of the questions. So if you have any doubt, you can connect on me on this number, and for personal online class you can also contact through me through WhatsApp, and this is Telegram basically channel that you will get link in the description. Just join through the link. Now let's come to the question. If you see this question, you will analyze that it is very difficult question, but let me make it very easy for you. See, if I see anywhere under root x, what does it mean? X raised to power 1 by 2, right? But actually here 2 is always there. It is called the order. What is it called? Order, right? But after 2, if I need to write over here 3, it means x raised to power 1 by 3. If you see it was 2, therefore it become 1 by 2, right? If I write order as 4, so it will become x raised to power 1 by 4. Got this concept? So this is the concept that actually students don't know, and here basically they suffer. So this thing will become no doubt under root x simple, or you can say x raised to power 1 by 2 plus. This will look like x square and raised to power order is 1 by 3. So it will look like this, and whole, and it will look like basically if I multiply it will become 1 by 6, right? 2 by 3. It will become 2 by 3. So power gets multiplied to make it 2 by 3. X raised to power 2 by 3, right? And it is nothing but x raised to power 1 by 2 whole divided by x, and this is whole raised to power 2. And now we need to find the integral of this given function. Now let's solve it first, and then we will find the integral. Now what we can do is just make the square to the numerator as well as denominator. So x raised to power x plus x raised to power 2 by 3 whole square divided by x square. Also what I can do is I can apply over here formula a plus b to the whole square. So it will become a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? 2ab, and whole divided by no doubt x square. Now let's solve it. So it will become no doubt x, then plus it will become x raised to power 4 by 3, and then plus 2 times base are same, so power will get will be added. So x raised to power 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3, so it will become 6. 2 3 is 6 plus 3 2 is 2 2 is 4, so it will become 7 by 6. Power is 7 by 6, and whole divided by x square. Now still we can't find integral. Why? Because they are in division. Now so what we need to do is just send this x square to each term of the denominator of the each term, so it will become x divided by x square, then plus x raised to power 4 divided by 3 divided by x square, then plus 2 x raised to power 7 by 6 divided by x square. And now again let's solve this, then we will be able to find the integral, right? So here it will be 1 by x, and here x raised to power 4 by 3, then minus 2, right? Minus 2. So to make it denominator same, let's multiply by 3. So it will become 4 minus 6 divided by 2. So minus 2 by 3, then plus 2 as it is. Now again same thing I'm going to do is 7 by 6, then minus 2. So multiply 6, so it will become 12, so minus 5 by 6, and now if you notice, you can easily find the integral of this given function. So 1 by x will become log of mod x. So let's substitute it's now I'm going to find the integral, okay? Log x, then plus if I add 1, so minus 2 by 3 plus 1, later I will solve minus 2 by 3 plus 1, then plus what is this? This is x, not 2. So x is for minus 5 by 6 plus 1 divided by minus 5 by 6 plus 1, right? Okay, let's solve this. So ये आपके पास log x ऐसे ही रहेगा, and here if we solve, what I will get? Minus 2 then plus 3 divided by 3, so it will become 1 by 3. It will become 1 by 3 and 1 by 3 in the denominator also. Similarly here I want to solve minus 5 by 6, so it will become 6 by 6, so it will become 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 divided by 1 by 6. Just make the reciprocal, and that's your answer. So it will be log mod of x plus it will get reciprocal, so it will become it will look like this. So this is your final look of your answer for this question, right? Next, same type of question. This one is very easy. You can say just send in the denominator of each term, so it will become 3x raised to power 4 divided by x cube plus 7x divided by x cube minus 1 upon 1 is 11. It is 11 by x cube. Now if you solve this, what you will get is this will be 3x then plus 7 by x square, and x square can be written as x raised to power minus 2, then minus 11 x raised to power minus 3. Now find the integral. So it will become, what is this? This will be 3x na, 3x. So it will be 3x square by 2 then plus 7. If I add 1, I will get minus 1, divide by that minus 1. So minus 11. If I add, I will get minus 2, and that divide by that minus 2 plus c. Now, so if I solve this, it will be 3 by 2x square. It will plus minus minus 7 by x, and it will minus minus plus 11 by 2 by x square plus 6. So this will be your final look of the answer. Got it? Next. Again we have same type of question, and let me tell you, very easy question. Here just we need to apply the formula of a minus b to the whole cube, a minus b to the whole cube, which is nothing but a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Because we don't know the integral in multiple, that's why I'm going to apply the formula over here to make them in addition or subtraction, right? So a cube matlab x raised to power 1 by 2, root x means x raised to power 1 by 2, okay na? So raised to power 3 then minus, it will look like x raised to power, it can be written as x raised to power minus 1 by 2 na? That's why it will become minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, a cube then b cube, right? A cube then b cube, then minus 3a square, a square means x and into b, b means 1 by root x, 1 by root x, then plus 3 into a is root x and b square is 1 by x, 1 by x. Let's solve this. So it will look like x raised to power 3 by 2 minus x raised to power minus 3 by 2, and here minus 3, it is 1, here power is 1 by 2, so they will get subtracted to make it 1 by 2, then plus 3, and it will be x raised to power minus 1 by 2, right? Same. Now we can easily find the integral of this function. So it will become x raised to power 5 by 2, and if I write 5 by 2, it will become 2 by 5, right? Minus x raised to power, if I add 1, it will be minus 1 by 2, and minus 1 by 2 if I write, it will become plus 2, then minus 3 x raised to power, it will become 3 by 2. So if I write 3 by 2, 3 will get cancelled out and 2 will get reciprocal over here. Try to do this directly. So 3 x raised to power 1 by 2, 1 by 2, so it will make it as 6 and plus c. This will be your answer. Next. Again this kind of question we have already done, there was one question in the last session, 2 minus 3 sin x divided by cos square x, as I am basically I can remember. Now here a and b are acting as any constant number, so a divided by cos square x you can easily write, then b sin x divided by cos square x also you can write. Now what I can do is, this can be written as a times sec square x, right? Cos reciprocal sec. Then b as it is sin by cos is 10 and cos is sec x. Then now we can easily find the integral of this function. So it will become secant square x will become 10x, a will remain as it is, then plus b, this will be sec x plus c. Next. If I multiply, I will get, because we can't find integral in multiplication, that's why we have to multiply, so it will look like this, cosec square x, cosec square x. Now we can easily find the integral, because cosec x minus cot x, cosec x into cot x is nothing but negative of cosec x, negative of cosec x. This minus negative, cosecant square x is nothing but minus cot x, so it will become plus cot x, plus c. That's your answer, right? Next, they may give you a question like this also, this thing here and this thing here also, right? Next, 2 cos x by sin square x, 2 by 5 by the way. So 2 by 5 keep as it is, cos by sin is cot x, and one sin will make it cosec x in the numerator. Then plus 1 by 5 as it is, cos square x will make it is sec square x. Now we can easily find the integral of this function, and it will give you 2 by 5 as it is. Then this is nothing but negative of cosecant x, negative of cosecant x. and this is nothing but 10x. So this is your answer, plus c. Next, what we can do in this type of question is just to send this term in multiply. If there are so many terms, they are called together basically collectively one term. So sine square x divided by sine square x into cos square x, and then again cos square x divided by sine square x into cos square x. Now what you can do is you can cancel the things which are getting cancelled out, and those are here sine square x and here cos square x. So we are left with 1 by cos square x, which is nothing but sec square x, right? Secant square x. Then here we are left with 1 by sine square x, which is nothing but cosec square x. Now we can easily find the integral of these two functions, right? Secant square x is nothing but 10x, then minus as it is. Cosecant square x is minus cot x, so it will become plus cot x, then plus c, right? Next, again we are given the function in product, basically square form, and we don't know the integral of the square form of sine and cos. So what we need to do is remember the formula. I am telling you guys from the starting of this grade 12 that learn the formulas that I am giving you of trigonometry and those formulas are from grade 11, not grade 12, right? Double angle, triple angle and half angle. If you remember, I have already given you 1 minus cos x is equal to 2 sine square x by 2, if you remember, guys. So send this 2 to this side. Now it will be 1 by 2 minus cos x by 2, and at the place of sine square x by 2, this is called trigonometric functions integral. So we can write it as 1 by 2 minus cos x by 2, because we didn't know how to find the integral of the sine square x by 2. That's why I just broke it down in the addition or subtraction form. Now constant number will take x as it is minus 1 by 2 as it is, cos will become sin x plus c. That's your answer, right? Next, one upon very important question. Many students get confused in this type of question. So how you can write it as 3 minus 8x raised to power minus 5, and now you can find the integral. So it will become 3 minus, here you have only power 1, so you can easily do it, minus 5 plus 1 divided by minus 5 plus 1. So you can directly write minus 4 na. Let's write minus 4 directly. Minus 5 plus 1 minus 4 divided by minus 1. Also you need to put the in the division coefficient of x, which is negative 8 over here. Don't forget this, guys. So 3 minus 8x raised to power 4 of negative, basically negative cancel, 32. Also you can send this to denominator with power positive 4, right? Next, this question, only this is the last question for today's session, by the way. Now in this type of question, what you need to do, because we don't know how to find this kind of integral of this kind of function basically. So what you can do is you can rationalize it to make it simple. So let me write it ax plus b, then minus under root ax plus c. If I rationalize, I will get ax plus b, then plus under root ax plus c whole divided by under root ax plus b plus under root ax plus c with dx. Now what I can do is keep the numerator as it is, no doubt, ax plus b, then plus under root ax plus c whole divided by, here it will be a square minus b square, so under root ax plus b to the whole square, then minus under root ax plus c to the whole square. And no doubt what you can do is it will be under root ax plus b, then plus under root ax plus c whole divided by, here it will remain as ax plus b, and here it will be ax plus c, but remember this negative sign will change the sign, so it will be negative, and this one will also be negative, here ax and ax will get cancelled out, and now you are left with under root ax plus b, then plus under root ax plus c, and in division you are left with b minus c, which can be written like this, because this is constant number, here a, b and c are the constant number. Now what you can do is, still we can't find integral, but if I write it like this, power 1 by 2, then ax plus c as power 1 by 2 for the root basically, now we can easily find the integral, right? So it will be 1 upon b minus c its integral will become ax plus b whole raised to power 3 by 2. Just I added 1 and that 3 by 2 over here, and also coefficient of x which is a. Then plus ax plus c raised to power 3 by 2, and here 3 by 2 with coefficient of x over here plus c. You can later solve it. So it will become 2 in the numerator, so it will become 2, or you can also multiply by this number, so it will become 2b minus c, or 3 times a, then ax plus b raised to power 3 by 2, then plus again over here also 2 divided by b minus c with 3 times a, and then ax plus c raised to power 3 by 2 plus c, and this is your final answer, right? So that's all for today's session, guys. See you in the next session. Jai Hind.